Hello, Assalamu alaikum friend. Welcome with Noor Khan. Friends, today we are going to learn about the second class of classes of pronoun. As we have discussed, the verb to be is a first class and the verb to have is a second class and verb to action is a third class of pronoun. So we have done the classes of pronoun verb to be. Today we are going to discuss about verb to have past. We will understand it by the definition where we use verb to have. And in simple words it used like this: have and has. Many people say, do you know about have and has? It means he is talking about verb to have. The definition of verb to have past, it shows position, domination and disease. It means it will show the three things. Position, it means the second meaning of position is like a property. Domination, power or authority or control. These are the meaning of domination. Power, control, authority, these are the domination meaning. And the disease, illness, sickness, these are disease. In the verb to have, we will make the sentences of possession, can be domination and can be disease. The affirmative formula of verb to have: subject plus helping verb plus object. I had a laptop. I had a laptop. I is a subject, had is a helping verb in past, I is a article and laptop is a object. And also laptop I have in my hand. It can be in my, we can say that it is a property of mine. So I have a laptop, we are showing here that the property and we can say the position. In negative sentence, subject plus did not have plus object. I did not have a laptop. It means I am doing the negation that I did not have laptop. Okay. When we talk about interrogative plus negative, we put the helping verb on the replace of subject. So I put here did plus subject plus have plus object. Did I have a laptop? It means I am asking the question, and in the interrogative and interrogative plus negative we must have to put question mark. Did I have a laptop? Did she have allergy? Did she have allergy? Allergy is a object and also we can represent like a disease. Through the definition we are showing here disease. The laptop, I had a laptop. It means I am showing my property. The laptop was my property. And did she have allergy? It means we are showing the sickness, can we say the illness and disease of a she. So here we are showing disease. When we talk about interrogative plus negative, it means we have to put the negation and also helping verb first, then subject. Did plus subject plus not, have plus object. Did I not, after the subject we have to put not after have we have to put not. We have to put not after the subject and before have. Did I not have a laptop? It means we are asking something and also doing the negation. Did she not have allergy? So had helping verb will use only in an affirmative sentence, and when we will talk about negative, so we have to use did not have. And in the interrogative also we have to use did have, and interrogative plus negative did I not have. Only the had will use with positive sentence, affirmative sentence. Helping verb, here is only one helping verb for affirmative. With any subject we will use I, we, they, you, he, she, it and any name. It can be plural, it can be singular. Did not have, did not we will use for negation. If I will put here she as I have done. She, it doesn't mean I have to use here has, no, because I am talking about past. So in past we have to use in affirmative had. I had allergy, I had this thing, I have cell phone. It means I am talking about present. If I say I had cell phone, it means I am saying about the past. Had is a second form of have. It represent something in past. When we talk about negative sentences, interrogative plus negative, so we have to put did not have. Not, we don't have to put did not had, it will be wrong. There are the example of according to the definition that it shows position, domination and disease. So we will discuss how we can make the have and has sentences and had sentence in this. I had fever today. I had fever today. It means I am showing my disease. I had fever today. She had cough. It means we are showing here the disease. Cough is a illness. I is a subject. Had is a helping verb in past. Fever today is the object and also showing the disease. She had cough. It means she is a subject, had is a helping verb and cough is a object, and cough is showing the definition according to the definition that we are showing here, disease. Imran had a cell phone. Imran is a subject, had is a helping verb, I is a article, cell phone is a object, and cell phone, who had cell phones? Imran had cell phone. It means we are showing here the position or property of Imran. So that's why we put here position. I had a laptop. I is a subject, had is a helping verb, I is a article, laptop is a object. Now I am showing here the position or property. Mother had power to take decision. Mother had power to take decision. Mother is a subject, had is a helping verb, power to take the decision. Now we are considering here like an object, and it's showing according to the definition, domination means mother have control to do something else. As we discussed, here is a one helping verb in affirmative sentence with any subject. We will use here had, and we talk about, when we will talk about the negative, we have to put here did not have. So verb to have, what is show? It shows position, domination and disease. Whenever we have to show the position and domination and disease, so we have to make the sentences of verb to have. And we can also say the had and had, and in present we say has and have. Thank you, friend.